How's it going?
Doing pretty alright. How are you?
Good. Besides the rain, man, it's freaking coming down.
Well, I really appreciate you coming out on a Sunday.
No problem. Is it open? Or is it locked?
Oh, it is open.
Okay. Did you call around at all?
Yeah, I called most Boise places, and I had 3 guys recommend you.
Okay.
Well known in the area.
Yeah, the Subaru guy. It'll just take it about 15-20 minutes to do its thing, and then we should be good. How long has it been sitting here?
I think I lost the key to my friend's birthday last Saturday. So,
Okay. Make sure everything works.
But my roommate was pissed because she left her water bottle in here, and I had no idea it was unlocked, but I didn't want to test it to get the alarm went off.
Yeah.
No way to turn it off.
Alright. Here's your those.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Well, I really appreciate
Do you need a receipt?
No.
Okay. Alright, thank you. Have a good day. And